Mendekithia ma gutua mathabu githomo kia mwiyenderi ni mathiete na mbere na gutumura ndereti hiũ. Mũmbunge wa Kĩharũ Ndindi Nyoro akimenereria rĩendekithia rĩrĩ.
Where the world is going, the opportunities of the current world are opportunities around STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we must encourage our country not to be left behind when it comes to dispensations of the world.
Akiaria hindi ya gutuga arutwo aria mekite wega thukuru-inĩ wa airĩtu a Kahuhia Kĩharũ, augite mathomo ma mathabu na ma science matiagĩrĩirwo kuoywo na itherũ.
And that is why I want to encourage even the ministry and all the leaders that let us take STEM very seriously. Because we cannot be isolated as a country. Currently, the talk of the world, yes, I respect arts. I have also done arts in university, but we have to be alive at the current situation of the globe and the world and where opportunities are. And therefore, mathematics must continue to be a very primary subject in our learning institutions. Sciences must continue to be a very important segment of our curriculum because that is where the modern world is heading. That is where the modern world and the opportunities of the modern world are.
Character is everything. It will transcend your certificates. So don't give up on your character. Don't compromise it. Be your best and God will bring out the best. You have a unique gifting that only you in the whole world can fulfill that.
Hindi oyo aciari ni moritio kunyitanagira na arutani niguo kugacirithia githomo gia ciana ciao.
So my advice to you is that whatever dreams that you develop, what you dream of, try to apply it. Try to implement it.
Our parents, please give the reality to your children.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma Kahuhia Kĩharũ kaunti ya Murang'a. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kinuthia.